Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. The hottest trends in study chair designs reflect the evolving needs of modern work and learning environments. One prominent trend is the focus of ergonomics, with chairs designed to provide maximum comfort and support during long study or work sessions. Adjustable lumbar support, flexible sitting options, and breathable materials are common features that enhance the ergonomic qualities of study chairs. Incorporating sustainability is another significant trend. Many study chair designs now use eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes to reduce their environmental footprint. This aligns with the growing awareness of eco-consciousness in design and furniture production. Furthermore, there is a shift towards multifunctional study chairs. These chairs often incorporate storage solution, USB charging ports, and even built-in lighting, making them adaptable for a variety of tasks. This versatility caters to diverse demands of modern work and learning scenarios. Aesthetically, contemporary study chairs come in a wide range of styles, from minimalist and sleek to more colorful and expressive designs. Personalization is a key, with many chairs offering customizable features to watch much individual preferences and interior design. Additionally, the use of high quality durable materials ensures the longevity of study chairs, making them a worthwhile investment. The hottest trends in study chair designs focus on blending form and function, ensuring that users can study comfortable, productive, and inspired in their study or work spaces. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.